And we're back. All right, y'all, this time we got Dinnerly. We got chicken tempura with stir-fried noodles and green beans. Looks like this. Yum, yum, yum. Look at that. Yum. All right, so we're about to get into this. See how good this is. Let's go. Get you some noodles. Let's try out this chicken. Noodles are a little plain. See how good the chicken is. I'm on board with the chicken. Chicken's good. Actually, it's a nice balance. There's a little bit of sauce on the noodles, and then the flavor of the chicken goes together perfectly. Green beans aren't all that exciting, but they're there. They're part of the dish. They just don't have a lot of flavor. So that's all. But the rest of it, that's pretty good. It's pretty good. So the cook time on this said 30 minutes. This meal took an hour. You have to marinate the chicken, which takes a minute. You gotta bread the chicken, then cook the chicken, cook the noodles. All that takes time. 30 minutes, not enough time. Nope. All right, so the price, $35.35. Gets you 5 meals from Dinnerly. That's what you get for the week. Now, how would I rate this? Overall, I give it a 5. Not great, not horrible. Right in the middle. I think the noodles need more flavor, honestly. I think that would make me happier if the noodles had more flavor. So there's that. All right, y'all. That's it for my 2-minute review. That's a wrap.